Arriving at the Dupont station. Yeah, I am. Oh my god, bro. Oh my god. Oh hell no! This is not supposed to be a full station tour, but I got on the wrong train, so yeah. But I'm not touring the whole station, guys. I'm just getting to the second platform. No full-fledged tour. No, it does look pretty cool. I mean, New York subway vibes. Despite me never been to New York. I love it. How you freaking am I supposed to get onto that platform? How to free? I don't know. I need to find a way onto that platform. This is a second entrance that I've never used. So yeah, welcome to the Dupont station. This is going to be a very short video because I'm not making a full-fledged tour. That's what I do. So, and when's my next train? Man, I have to wait 3 minutes for the next train. That's crazy. Imagine, 3 minutes. Crazy. It says Dupont. That's a pretty decent station design for real, but you know, that's my train already came. By the way, it's like a new St. Louis subway station tour is now our official longest video. Go check it out once it's actually out, because it's not finished loading. This is the thing I used to get out. Wait, I almost thought the station was impossible to go through. I didn't get my time. What was my time? I got off the wrong path. That's Finchbound. Well, the way I'm going. I'm not going to Finch. Oh, yeah, I'm not going to Finch. I'm going to run 2 minutes. Oh my god. I haven't even been a bit of light. This train just came from the station we just did a tour video of. Yeah, this train right here. This came from the station we did a tour of. Wow, this video surprised only hit 3 minutes. I thought this video would be way, way longer than it is. Apparently, it was meant to be. I thought this video would be shorter only because I just needed to do a quick trend for get on the right train. I didn't know that this video could be a minute long. It's almost 4 minutes long. It's like 80 some records. Doesn't seem like the train's here. Well, I cannot say. I mean, I don't want them. There's some tracks. You can look at some beautiful tracks. I honestly do not care what another train is. Why is there such a train there that's just standing? Like, usually when there's 1 minute, that makes it definitely pain. It's the lighting though. Can't lie. The lighting looks pretty decent. I don't know why it was blue, but it's not blue. Yeah, those are some tracks. It is surprisingly almost 4 minutes. 5 minutes, bro. It's crazy. That's fucking crazy.
Line 1.